Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain the average price in the stock market. Understanding this concept is crucial for making informed investment decisions. We'll explore how the average stock price is calculated and why it's a valuable tool for investors. This metric helps you gauge a stock's typical value, offering insights into its historical performance and potential future movements. It's a fundamental concept for anyone looking to analyze market trends effectively. There are several ways to calculate the average stock price, each offering unique insights. The simple moving average, or SMA, is a straightforward method, summing closing prices over a set period and dividing by that number of periods. The exponential moving average, or EMA, gives more importance to recent data, making it more responsive to current market shifts. Another important method is the volume-weighted average price, or VWAP, which incorporates trading volume for a more comprehensive average. Understanding the average stock price is incredibly important for investors. It helps identify key support and resistance levels, which are crucial for predicting price movements. By comparing a stock's current price to its average, you can gauge whether it might be overbought or oversold, informing your buying or selling decisions. This metric is a cornerstone of technical analysis, providing valuable insights for both short-term traders and long-term investors alike. While average stock prices are powerful tools, it's important to be aware of their limitations. They are lagging indicators, meaning they reflect past data and don't predict future movements. In highly volatile markets, averages might not capture rapid price changes effectively. Also, choosing the right time frame for your average is crucial, as a 20-day average will differ significantly from a 200-day average. Always use average prices in conjunction with other indicators for a comprehensive market view.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.